Hello students, I'm Kainat, Basic Foundation teacher in the Skylark Institute of English Language, Ukhada campus. Well students, hope you all are doing well. Today I will tell you about the use of do, does and did. Mostly students get confused while they are using do, does and did. But today I will teach you the way कि आप इसको आसानी से समझ सकेंगे. So let's begin. Firstly, you will see the use of do, does and did. Do basically in the simple present tense will function as an auxiliary verb and to express the negative and to ask questions. Means हम इसमें negative भी मनफी जुमले भी बनाते हैं और सवालिया जुमले भी बनाते हैं. Next where we use does. Does is substitute for the third singular subject in the present tense. Present tense में इसको हम singular person या any singular name के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. And the did, the past tense did works with all singular and plural. How we use them? Let's see. Okay, as you can see, the sentence that how we'll make the negative and how we'll make it interrogative. Well, do we use with the I, you, they and we. हम do को इनके साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Does we use with the third person he, she, it and any singular name. And where we use did we use with all singular and plural. Means with all pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it. इन सब के साथ did का इस्तेमाल होता है. So firstly we'll learn about the sentence structure. That what is the sentence structure of do and does. Means हमने इसकी formulation इसकी क्या है, हमने किस तरह से जो है वो इसको sentence में इस्तेमाल करना है. So firstly you will use the subject the person who is doing work, जो बंदा काम करता है वो subject. Then you will use do and does plus first form of verb. Then the rest of the sentence your object means जो भी आप लगाना चाहते हैं. हम इसको नेगेटिव किस तरह से बनाएंगे. नेगेटिव के लिए आपने पहले सब्जेक्ट प्लस डू डज देन नॉट. इसमें एक चीज की एडिशन करनी है नॉट, क्योंकि हमें मनफी जो है वो सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. देन प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब देन द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट हाउ विल मेक इट द इंट्रोगेटिव, यानी सवालिया जुमले किस तरह बनाने हैं. जब भी आप सवालिया जुमले बनाते हैं यू ऑलवेज पुट योर ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स at the start of the sentence. यहाँ पर जो हमारे auxiliary verbs do और does हैं हम उसको जुमले के शुरू में लगाएंगे. फिर आपका subject आएगा. Then you will use the first form of verb. Then the rest of the sentence. So students, this is how that you will use the do, does in the sentence. This is the formulation of the do and does. Next, don't be confused because I gonna tell you the examples. क्योंकि जब भी आप एग्जाम्पल्स को देखते हैं आप इजीली अंडरस्टैंड उसको करते हैं. सो व्हाट आर द एग्जाम्पल्स अबाउट द डू एंड डज. यस, द फर्स्टली हाउ विल मेक द सिंपल आई लाइक पिज्जा. एज आई टोल्ड यू हियर सब्जेक्ट डू डज and the verb. Now you will see in the example when we'll make the simple sentence I like pizza. मैं पिज्जा पसंद करता हूँ या मुझे पिज्जा पसंद है. तो आपने इसको नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए don't का यूज करना है. I don't like pizza. It's mean here we have the pronoun I. So इसके साथ आप do लगाएंगे. I don't. When you will make it the negative, then you will I do not and I don't. जब हम इसको I don't बनाते हैं, this is the contraction in English language. When you put it together, do not, and you will get it don't. I don't like pizza. How you will make it the interrogative? आपने इसको interrogative किस तरह बनाना है, आप इसको सवालिया किस तरह बनाओगे. Definitely, you will use your auxiliary verb, your helping verb at the start of the sentence. And what the auxiliary verb here we have? It's do. So do you will use at the start of the sentence. जुमले के शुरू में आप do लगाएंगे, फिर आपका subject and the rest of the sentence with the first form of verb. Do I like pizza? And don't forget to put the question mark. Do I like pizza? Next we have the examples about does. how you will does in this, how you will use the does in the sentence. Let's see the example. She gets up early in the morning. You can use she, he, or you can use any name as well. She gets up early in the morning. How you will make it the negative? Definitely with the he, she, it, with the third person, and with any singular name you have to use the does. Don't forget, with the I, we, they, you have to use do, and with the he, she, it you will use does. He doesn't or she doesn't get up early in the morning. How you are using the subject, the does, and the not. She does not or she doesn't. She doesn't get up early in the morning. How we'll use the does for asking question or for making the interrogative sentence? You will use the does at the start of the sentence as we did जैसे कि हमने पिछले अपने सेंटेंस में किया है. डू को हमने शुरू में लगाया. Does she get up early in the morning? And question mark. So this is how that you will use the do and does in the sentences. This is the main point here, the WH question with do and does. Mostly students confuse हो जाते हैं while they are using the WH questions, WH जो words हैं उनको इस्तेमाल करते हुए. उनको नहीं पता चलता कि हमने WH जैसे what है, which है, where है, ये WH family होती है, WH words होते हैं. इसके बाद हमने auxiliary word लगाना है या हमने अपना subject लगाना है. So students, keep it in your head when you are using the WH words in the sentence. First you have to write the WH word, then you will put your auxiliary word, then the rest. Means फिर उसके बाद आप subject और ये सारा इस्तेमाल करेंगे. As you can see the example over here. What do you like to read? What आपका WH word है, फिर do जो auxiliary verb है जो हम subject से पहले use कर रहे हैं. What do you like to read? Next we have when does she come home? How you are using the when. So you can see in all the example we are using the what, when, how, which at the start of the sentences. Here you can see which dress do you like? Normally when we go for shopping and आप अपने साथ जो है से पूछ सकते हैं which dress do you like? This is how we use the WH words in our sentences. Next we have the use of did. How we use the did. Did basically we use in the simple past tense. Simple past tense में use होता है ये. And आपने इस बात को ज़हन में रखना है कि जब हम सिंपल सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं, अपने अफर्मेटिव पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस बना रहे हैं, यू विल नॉट यूज डिड. आप उसमें डिड का इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे. वेयर यू विल यूज द डिड, you have to use the did when you are making your negative and interrogative sentences. So you can see the example on your screen here. So I is a subject. I solved the sum. आपने क्या करना है? What is the sentence structure? First you have to write the subject and the second form of verb and your object. Simple past tense में हम हमेशा second form of verb use करते हैं. इसमें हम first form of verb नहीं लगाते. First form of verb लगाते हैं तब जब आप negative और interrogative यानी मनफी और सवालिया जुमले बनाते हैं. पहला देखें हम इसको positive किस तरह बनाएंगे. He played football. He is a subject. Subject के फौरन बाद you will use the second form of verb. He played football. उसने football खेला. Means you are talking about the past. How you will make it the negative? Now, negative में और सवालिया में आप क्या करेंगे कि आप did का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, जो कि मैं आपको आज के लेक्चर में बता रही हूँ that how you will use the did. So, just see the example here. He didn't play football. उसने फुटबॉल नहीं खेला. It's mean the after the subject you are using did not. Cause why you are using the not? Cause you are making the negative sentences. He did not or he didn't play football. Next, how you will make it interrogative. Yes, सवालिया जुमला हमने किस तरह बनाना है? बेसिकली जैसे आपने डू और डज को सब्जेक्ट के शुरू में लगाया था, सेम हियर आप डिड को जो है वो जुमले के शुरू में लगाएंगे, सब्जेक्ट के शुरू में लगाएंगे और इसके साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आपने यूज करनी है. डोंट फॉरगेट स्टूडेंट्स, जहां पर भी डिड आएगा हमेशा डिड के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज होती है. डिड ही प्ले फुटबॉल? Now here you can see we are using play, but in the simple sentence we use played. Okay, so when you will use did with the did plus first form of verb. Next, it's a very important part of this lecture, and personally I really like it and it's my favorite as well. जब भी हम sentences बोलते हैं, कोई भी जुमले बोलते हैं, तो mostly normally वो simple sentences होते हैं, जैसे she plays badminton, she plays badminton. लेकिन जब हम इसमें always, usually, normally, often, sometimes लगाते हैं, that this make your sentence effective and impressive as well. How you will use them? मैं आपको बताऊंगी. I will tell you. Here, the first one is always. You can call them the clue words. ये clue words होते हैं जब हम अपने sentences में use करते हैं. Always होता है जो चीज आप 100% करते हैं. The 100%. He always go to the market in the evenings. Means वो 100%ly जाता है. जो काम आप 100% करते हैं उसके लिए आप always लगाओगे. जैसे आप बोल सकते हो always, I always go to the park, or I always read the books. This is how that you will make the sentences. Next we have usually. Usually वो काम जो आप 90% करते हैं, 90% आप जो काम करते हैं उसके लिए आप usually लगाते हैं. They usually quarrel. मतलब वो usually झगड़ते हैं, हमेशा ही नहीं, 90%, इसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं. Normally 80%, जो काम आप 80% करते हैं उसके लिए हम normally यूज करते हैं. I normally go to the gym. And this is how these are the sentences. You can make your own sentences as well, the thing that you usually do, normally do. Okay, next we have often. 70%, the thing that you do, जो 70% आप काम करते हैं, they often go out for dinner. Means they often 70% वो dinner के लिए जाते हैं. They often go out for dinner. How these words are making your sentences effective? You can just listen. They go out for dinner. Okay, but when you are using the often, they often go out for dinner. Now, you will find a difference in both sentences. Next, we have sometimes. The sometimes जो 50% काम आप करते हैं, आज़ोकात 50% होता है, उसके लिए हम sometimes use करते हैं. I sometimes go with my father. I sometimes go with my father. Next we have the 30% जो काम करती हैं, उसके लिए हम occasionally use करते हैं, मतलब मौके के हिसाब से. जैसे I occasionally eat junk food. Means डेली ही नहीं, रोजाना ही नहीं, जब भी कोई इवेंट हो, मौका हो, तब मैं जंक फूड लेता हूँ. I occasionally eat junk food. Next you have seldom, जो काम आप 10% करते हैं, ठीक है, 10% करते हैं. Seldom. I seldom read the newspaper. Means some people don't like to read the newspaper daily, so I seldom read the newspaper. Next we have hardly ever. 5%, जो काम आप 5% करते हैं, जो काम आपको पसंद नहीं है, मुश्किल ही वो आप करते हैं. Hardly ever 5% जो काम करते हैं. You can say I hardly ever read novels, because मतलब normally मुझे novels पढ़ना पसंद नहीं है, so I hardly ever read novels. The last you have never, जो चीज आप बिल्कुल भी करना पसंद नहीं करते. Never, मतलब कोई कुछ भी आपसे पूछता है, you always say no, never. Means वो चीज you really don't like the thing. Here you can see 0% जो होता है. I never go to the cinema. I don't like it. I never go to the cinema. Means mostly कुछ लोगों को सिनेमा जाना पसंद नहीं होता, और वो काम जो आपको करना पसंद नहीं है, you can use the never for you as well. I never go to the cinema. I don't like it. Okay, students, hopefully you will find it informative, very helpful, and I'll come back with the new grammar lectures. But for this, you have to you have to contact us on WhatsApp. You will like our page on Facebook, and you have to subscribe our channel on the YouTube. Thank you very much.